Hello, good afternoon. Namaste, salam to our IFPH members and doctors and Honorable Dr. Sergey. Sir, thank you very much for giving me a chance to come today on the celebration and the birthday of our Guru, Dr. Frederick Samuel Hahnemann. It's a very luckiest day for us, for all homeopaths of the world. And we should be proud of our Guru, and we should be proud of IFPH and our Honorable Dr. Shaji, who create and provide worldwide this opportunity to all homeopathic doctors of the world, that we unite together and present the benefits of the homeopathic science to the humans and our daily life routine, how we get the extremely and very easily the benefits of homeopathic science, how they help in our life. So today our topic is to discuss what is the homeopathic sciences giving the benefit to in the medical problem when the patient suffer, and this the orthopedic surgeons diagnose and declare that there is no option that the patient can heal naturally. This is very important. Homeopathic science deals with this concept that he treats the disease and cure the disease. This is very important. The word cure exists in the homeopathic science, not in allopathic. It is very important. When the patient is sick, what he wants to get rid of that ailment which he suffers. So it is very important when the patient comes in the homeopathic treatment, he get benefit from the that incredible science. Today I'm disclosing a case of a patient of osteophytes, osteodegeneration. She is 72 years old lady. She is suffering from osteodegeneration. She falls from a stairs 3 years ago. And what happened? Her disc was slipped, and this is a retrolithiasis case. It's different from the normal disc slip. Mostly the 90% disc slip is in the front word, but retrolithiasis is the slip of the disc backward. So what happened after that incident? When she falls from the stairs, this is a RSA history considered in homeopathic, and after that what she is suffering is the numbness of the hand, numbness of the feet, loss of hearing, loss of vision. Why? Because the nerve compression is developing due to the disc slip. She wasted more than 4 years her time to allopathic doctors and surgeons. They all have final decision for her is this, that she have to go for the surgery to get this disease, to get rid of this disease. This is the only solution, the surgery. And there is no surety either after the surgery she will be normal or not. That lady case come to my clinic. I will just show you and the details. Honorable Dr. Shaji, sir, I request can this slide I can show that.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Dr. Shaji, please, can you share the screen? It's not sharing from my mobile. I said my abstract to you. Is that possible, sir?
Oh, let me see. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
see.
Yes.
Where did you send it?
Sir, at your WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp, it is difficult.
WhatsApp difficult. Box photo. Let me check here.
Just for the meantime, you just speak instead of showing all this. Don't waste time. Please speak to yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me see if I can show this.
Okay. So here is the history of that patient. Actually, I'm sorry that it cannot be shared this time. But when I take the history of that patient, I decided to treat that osteodegeneration. You may see, please.
Is it appearing?
Yeah, it's appearing now. It's appearing. So please see the details here. There are a lot of more disorders, not only the disc slip. The history, when I have take, she is also having hypothyroidism more than 3 years. She is also a diabetic patient, and I calculate the conclusion is that she is basically a patient of endocrine system. And what is the problem rises from? We should have to treat the thyroid gland, and we should have to treat that RSA history to cure this disorder. So you may see what the medicine I decided from Sis Khalda is. You may, sir, Dr. Shaji, please may show the next page, the remedies. The first medicine I gave and decide is conium. You may see first month treatment, and second medicine which I decided to give is the Nasod. Nasod is Bacillinum is for the osteodegeneration, and conium is to the disorder of vision and the hearing develops. And number three, there is a very important point when the degeneration of vertebrae is involved. The very important thing is how to handle that vertebra and that degeneration, how to rebuild that vertebra. Argentum nitricum, and I make this is beyond our classical way, but the cases falls in the SS history that we have to quickly treat that patient. So make also a compound of Argentum nitricum, Calcarea fas, and Magnesia fas. It is an SS remedy for the pains, for the all problems which I decided to give her. After giving the medicine, Just after 1 month, when she revisited my clinic, she says, I am better more than 30%. I can move easily. I can turn, I can bend down. I have numbness is less as previously. So after seeing the result, I am happy. The result is either slow, but it's good and it's on the track. So the second month, I what medicine I gave to her, I decided I have to change, and I changed. Gave the medicine is Medorinum. Medorinum is the king of endocrine system. It very the hypothyroidism, either the hyperthyroidism. It is very important. Medorinum, vice versa, handle the both things. And second medicine I decide is to give is tuberculinum. Just 2 doses in a week, and the reason is that the osteodegeneration of the vertebrae of the bones is handled by bacillinum and tuberculinum. These are our two major medicines, which very you can say it cures and heal quickly that degeneration of the bones. And third medicine I give arnica, hypericum, and calcium fluoride. It's all in 200. You can see the number of doses are 15 drops just after every meal, 3 times a day. So what happens just after 4 weeks? Her daughter, her son called me and said that our mother is recovering very incredibly. She is using hearing device, and now after this medicine, that hearing device she is using, she left that. She leave it. She is not using. She is easily now can listen our sounds, voice, and she is replying. The whole family was shocked and astonished that how it happens. So after 2 months, more than 8 and 9 members visited my clinic, and they all want to be the patient of homeopathic medicine system. They all want to know and discuss with me how this miracle happens by the help of homeopathic medicines, that our grandmother get heals. And this is for the surgeons, the orthopedic surgeons. They raise their hands, they surrender on this issue, and they said we cannot help this patient. So I told them that grand benefit of the homeopathic science. Homeopathic science, unfortunately, in the world, who is curing more the cases like this, is known as pseudoscience. This is the word where badly I feel hurted by these words. As if we click the Wikipedia, as we click another source of information for the homeopathic. I was just shocked when I see these words. This is a pseudoscience. So my request to on this platform, this is a worldwide platform who is helping the humanity with the help of homeopathic. And what is our purpose behind that is only this: to get rid those humans who cannot be get back to their normal lifestyle. This is very important. So homeopathic medicines have this ability, this energy, that they can rid of the patients from that disease and also show them their normal way of life. But my request that our fight leads us to on this plan, that we should not be known as the pseudoscience. If it's a pseudoscience, please reply me those results which the homeopathic medicine gives. The patients who are having the history of stones in the kidneys, the patient who is having the history of gallstones, the patient who is having brain tumor. Next case I am showing you just 5 days before, 11-year-old girl having a brain tumor on her pituitary gland. And suddenly what happens to that girl? She is having a attack like fits. A patient called me from the hospital. He said that my daughter having a fits and she is admitted in hospital 3 days before, and doctor diagnosed after the MRI, they shows that she is suffering from a brain tumor on the pituitary gland. And presently her vision is not she cannot see, vision is not visible. and loss of vision occurs, and there is a history of vertigoneous, and there is a history of headache, and there is a history of vomiting, and there is a history of nausea. So the doctors decide, after the MRI, they diagnose that she is suffering from the constructive hydrocephalus. She is having imbalanced cerebrospinal fluid in his right ventricle of the brain and the left ventricle of the brain. The normal value of the fluid on the left ventricle of the brain is less as compared to the right. So, what they decide, the only solution is that they have to go for the shunting, and they send me the MRI report from Rashid Hospital in Lahore, Pakistan. It's a very famous and very big hospital, and the neurosurgeon decides that the only solution for this girl is the shunting. When they said me and said, Dr. Saab, is there any hope in the homeopathic science to treat our daughter? She is having fits, she is having vertigo, she is suffering from loss of vision, she is unable to eat anything, she is having a history of vomit and nausea since 3 days, and she is also having jerks in her body after every 15 to 20 minutes. There is a very continuously rapid attacks of jerks in her body. So I just hear the details, and I said, yes, homeopathic science can help you. Our homeopathic medicines can help on this stage. This is very important. So round about, there are more than 20-25 family members in the hospital, and they decide to visit my clinic at night at 11 p.m. because the shunting is on tomorrow at 8 a.m. They said they come my clinic, they bring the MRI report, and they want to discuss, can you help by the help of homeopathic medicines that our daughter should not go for this, suffer from this process of shunting of the brain, and she will become normal, and she is since more than 72 hours she having continuously jerks, shivering, vertigoneous, nausea, loss of vision, which is partially little better now after 48 hours. So can you help on this stage? So what I decide to take your patient to my clinic, free her from hospital, and I will give medicine, and you will decide it in hour what we have to do. So they reply me, their parents, that doctor, sir, it is not possible. Tomorrow her surgery 8 a.m. is the time for the shunting of the brain. How you are saying this that you can handle? So what I told in reply that parents, that please, you may bring just for 1 hour and see our results. If the jerks and shivering is not getting controlled, you can go back. This is a very biggest thing happening in my clinic. Whatever had been decided in minutes, not hours. And I just want to show them the result of the homeopathic medicine. Because I take SOS cases in my clinic, there is no concept that the homeopathic medicine gives SOS treatment. This is very, I don't believe this. There are so many SOS cases which homeopathic can deal very well and give very good results. So in that condition, that girl, 11 years old girl, her name is Maheen. She is wearing gear gown. She comes to my clinic with shivering and having jerks in her neck. And I just take a cup of water. What medicine I put it? What medicine? It's very important because the jerks and the shivering in the body is due to the tumor compression on the pituitary gland and nerve. The very excellent remedy, and it will be astonishing for our all homeopathic physician. Have we any SOS remedy? The patient like that who is having the history of jerks and fits after having the nerve compression on the nerve compression due to the tumors on the pituitary master gland. So I give her barium chloride, which is known as Britamure. Britamure 200 Britamir,
പത്മപ്രിയ മാഡം പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാഡത്തിനെ മാറ്റിയിട്ട് വേണമെങ്കിൽ റോയി ആക്കിയാൽ മതി.
Britamir 200 I gave her, and I said you have to take 3 doses with an interval of 5 minutes. I see that she is continuously jerking. There is no relief. I hide the potency. I take 1 glass of water. I put Britamir 1 ml, and I said, you take a sip after every 3 minutes. This is my clinic where I'm sitting, and you believe this is a wall clock. 15 minutes, just 15 minutes. The jug stops, the shivering get reduced 70%, and they all surprised. They said, it's getting better. I told them, please wait and just start continuously giving the medicine. Sometimes people said that because our science is micro dose and mega results. This is the concept of our medicines. But what you have to do in the emergency cases? Should we give only 1 dose? No. This is my personal experience that in emergency, in SOS conditions, you can give the repeated doses, and repeated doses, the biotransformation of our remedies based on the electric charge of the tongue. What happened? We don't have to wait for 20 minutes or 30 minutes to repeat the medicine.
അല്ല മറ്റേ മെസ്സേജ്
So after giving the repeated doses, when the 16 sip is taken by that 11-year-old girl, Maheen, the shivering is 60% stops. The jerking like this, she is jerking like this since 3 days. That jerking stops. And their parents, all the members in my clinic, they stand up. They are very surprised. They are very happy that jerks after 72 hours, it's just stopped. So I told them, please now sit here. And
Dr. Amir, you have 1 minute to wind up.
okay sir. So after that results in 12 minutes, the whole family decided to get rid of the surgery, the shunting, and I gave them SOS1, just 1 bottle of the barium chloride known as Britamir. It's an excellent remedy to reduce the brain tumors. And this is my initial step, which I give 2 medicines. One is the Britamir, SOS1, and second is SOS2. What is that? For the brain tumors, for the reduction of brain tumors, and to reduction of these symptoms is Naja, known as the poison of cobra. The poison of cobra having a very great effect on the tumors, the brain tumors. Second SOS bottle I give to her is Naja 200 in 30 ml bottle, and number 1 is Britamir. And believe me, this is now the 5th day. What I am telling you, just these 2 remedies is handling that chronic case. And in night at 2 a.m., his father called me and said,
Amir, your
My-
time is over. Your time is over, doctor. Sorry.
okay.
Yeah, you can say just wind up a conclusive remark.
Thank you very much, sir. Honorable Dr. Shaji. Thank you. Conclusion is that for those chronic ailments which requires the surgeries, which requires the amputation, which requires the operations, in the homeopathic science, we can treat them. We can treat them with the help of homeopathic medicines. So please don't introduce us as in the pseudoscience. We are the super science who is dealing with the biocells of the body of the humans, who is healing.
Thank you, Dr. Amir. Now